Hello friends, we are going to find out value of a number whose power is the largest number. This number is given into bracket square root of 24 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 30 and its power is 24. This sum is solved by many mathematicians in the same manner, but here today we are going to find out value of this number in a different manner, and final answer will be in different format. So let us solve this sum. Solution for this: first of all, find this number in a simplified form. So square root of 24 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 30. This is equal to, we can write square root of 24 can be written as 6 into 4 divided by square root of 6 as it is plus square root of 30 can be written as 6 into 5. But we know square root of a into b is equal to square root of a into square root of b. So right hand side becomes, this is equal to square root of 6 into square root of 4 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 6 into square root of 5. But here square root of 4 is equal to 2, and we can take square root of 6 common from numerator and square root of 6 common from denominator. So square root of 6 into 2 divided by square root of 6 is taken common from denominator, into bracket remains 1 plus square root of 5. Now this square root of 6 cancels with this square root of 6, hence remaining part is 2 upon 1 plus root 5. Now rationalize denominator. This is equal to 2 upon 1 plus root 5 into 1 minus root 5 divided by 1 minus root 5. Simplify this. This is equal to 2 into 1 minus root 5 divided by 1 plus root 5 into 1 minus root 5. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, we can apply this formula in denominator of this number. Hence LHS is equal to 2 into 1 minus root 5 divided by 1 plus root 5 into 1 minus root 5 is 1 square minus root 5 its square, and this is equal to 2 into 1 minus root 5 divided by 1 square is 1 minus root 5 square is 5. This square cancels with this square root. Hence we can write 2 into 1 minus root 5 divided by 1 minus 5 is minus 4. This 2 cancels with this 4. 2 to the 4. Multiply this bracket by minus 1. Hence this is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. This is simplified form of given number which is appearing in bracket. Hence square root of 24 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 30 to the power 24 is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2, its power 24. Since we know this, a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power n to the power m. So this 24 we have to express in this form. Hence, this is equal to, we can write square root of 5 minus 1 divided by 2, its power 2, and again its power 12. Suppose this is equation number 1. First, let us find square of this number. Hence, square root of 5 minus 1 its square into 1 upon 2 square. This is equal to 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4 into square root of 5 minus 1 its square is equal to square root of 5 its square minus 2 into square root of 5 into 1 plus 1 square. This expansion using formula a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. So this is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket square root of 5 its square is 5 minus 2 times root 5 plus 1. This is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 2 times root 5. So this is equal to 2 into bracket 6 upon 2 is 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 2 is square root of 5 divided by this 4 as it is. Now here 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Hence this is equal to 1 upon 2 3 minus square root of 5. Hence square root of 24 upon square root of 6 plus square root of 30 to the power 24 can be written as 3 minus square root of 5 divided by 2 its power 12. Again apply this formula. We have to split this 12 in two parts. So this is equal to, we can write 3 minus root 5 divided by 2, taking its cube and then its power 4, because 4 into 3 12. So now we have to take its cube. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 cube into 3 minus square root of 5 cube of this and then its fourth power. Hence this is equal to 1 upon 2 cube is 1 upon 8 into bracket expansion of this 3 cube minus 3 times 3 square into square root of 5 plus 3 times 3 into square root of 5 its square minus square root of 5 its cube, bracket close, and again square bracket close, its power 4. Simplify this. So this is equal to 1 upon 8, 3 cube is 27 minus 3 into 3 square, 27 root 5 plus 3 into square root of 5 its square plus 45 minus square root of 5 its cube, that is nothing but minus 5 root 5 bracket close, and then its fourth power. So this is equal to 1 upon 8 into bracket 27 plus 45, 72, minus 27 root 5 minus 5 root 5, that is minus 32 square root of 5, and then its fourth power. Divide this bracket by 8. Hence this is equal to 72 upon 8 minus 32 upon 8 into square root of 5, and then its power 4. Here 8 1 ja 8, 8 9 ja 72, 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. Hence this is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5 to the power 4. Let us assume x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. This is equal to, we can write x to the power 4. Since x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5, this can be written as 9 minus x is equal to 4 root 5. So this can be written as x to the power 4. Consider this is equation number 2. Squaring both sides of this, we can write 9 minus x, its square, is equal to 4 root 5 square of this. Again, expansion formula, 9 square minus 2 into 9 into x plus x square is equal to 4 root 5 square is 4 square into square root of 5, its square. 9 square is 81 minus 2 into 9 into x, 18x plus x square is equal to 4 square is 16 and root 5 square is 5. 16 into 5, 80. Hence x square is equal to 18x minus 81 plus 80. Hence x square is equal to 18x minus 1. Squaring both sides. Square of left hand side is x square square is equal to square of right hand side is 18x minus 1 square of this. X square square is equal to x to the power 4. This is equal to, now here also we have to apply same expansion formula, to the power 2. 18x square of this minus 2 times 18x into 1 plus this 1 square. Hence x to the power 4 is equal to 18 square is 324 x square minus 2 into 18 minus 36x plus 1 square is 1. Now replace this x square by this value. So this is equal to 324 into 18x minus 1, and then remaining terms as it is minus 36x plus 1. Simplify again. So this is equal to 18 into 324. 18 4 ja 72. 18 2 ja 36 plus 7 43. 18 into 3 54 plus 4 58. X minus 324 minus 36x plus 1. So x to the power 4, this is equal to, we can write 5832 minus 36 x, taking x common from this term and x common from this term, and collect these two terms. Minus 324 plus 1, that is minus 323. Hence x to the power 4 is equal to 5832 minus 36. This is equal to 5796 times x minus 323. Now we have to replace this x. We have assumed x is equal to 9 minus 4 root 5. Put here. Hence x to the power 4 is equal to 5796 into bracket 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 323. Multiply this bracket by this number. Hence this is equal to 52,164 minus 23,184 times root 5 minus 323. This gives 51,841 minus 23,184 times square root of 5. Hence we can write this value is equal to x to the power 4, and x to the power 4 is equal to 51,841 minus 23,184 times root 5, and this is value of given number. Hence the answer. Thank you all. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.